тем, что ты на одной площадке с совершенно разными людьми из разных стран, кукольниками, пытаешься договориться о том, что мы сейчас здесь делаем. И это было бум такой в голове, потому что ты понимаешь, что театр кукол просто еще становится шире и многограннее, и ты понимаешь, что это целая вселенная.
I'm Eden Harvard. I'm 23 from the United Kingdom.
Hi, my name is Claudia Gomes and I'm from Porto, Portugal, and I'm now 24 years old.
My name's Pete Davidson. I am from Sydney, Australia, and I am 28 years old.
My name is Nozomi Nagai. I'm from Japan and now I'm 35 years old.
I'm Hojat Zainali from Iran. I'm 27 years old.
My name is Valerie Mies. I am 33 years old and I am from the United States.
My name is Gustavo Campos. I'm from Brazil and I'm 29 years old.
There is a subconscious little child that lives inside us all, and when a puppet comes out, that person or that part of our subconscious also comes out. But for me, puppets is a merging of my three passions: my passion for education and children, my passion for design and objects, and my passion for performing.
I've always been really curious, and when I see puppets, the first thing I think is about how to assemble and unassemble, how do they work, how to make them, and that's the kind of connection I want my public to have with my work. So if I can do mechanisms and complex puppets and make them creative as well, curious as well, that I would be glad.
Why puppets? Puppets are the most dead thing that becomes the most alive thing. So, and sometimes it's, for me at least, of course, it's really nice how nowadays people are getting more not alive sometimes, and puppets the opposite. So the contrast with human beings and puppets are quite amazing for me.
Well, I come from a culture of no puppetry at all in South Africa, and for me, bringing that or having that and bringing that back would it broadens, or it introduces, or I'll be bringing a different way of telling stories, which is not known where I come from. And also puppetry for me, with puppetry you can bring the world on stage. Anything and everything is possible with puppetry. That's why I love it.
Where the women are strong, the men are good looking, and the children are...
Você está escutando 98 FM?
Что за паника творится во всем мире, говорят, начались рязанские смотрины.
This was. It was useful in a sense that I networked, and I'm an international performing puppeteer now, but really a bunch of strangers got together on day one and over 12 days have become a little family. And I desperately love the people who I have just by chance gotten to work with and gotten to meet. And it's been an incredible and life-changing experience. And my work will be different moving forward.
I feel very useful. All participants from different country and different culture, and male and female, and everyone has different personality. And we have some program to work together because we have different language and from different culture. Our director, Mr. Boris, can't speak English, and my English is not so good. But this program proved we can work together because we have a passion for puppetry, and also we have respect for each other.
It's like a little kick, a little like push to go further, don't quit. There's other people like you that are trying new things, that need to see more, to explore more, to everything. And I have another 8 amazing people that are like that, and all the Ryazan guys and everything. So it's like, go for it.
Просто вот одна задача — разбудить в них, вот, уйти от некого академизма, от пьесы. Они это сделают дома у себя в своих театрах. А здесь вот тот момент свободы. Свободы именно в сочинении.
Cuando quedó viudo Toño, le quedó un hijo varón, con un madroño muy grande y bastante guayabón. Las muchachas todas quieren contemplar a Toñinitas para sobarle el ombligo, tocarle las guayabitas. Ay, Juana y Carmen Rosa, dicen que el hijo del tigre se le pintao, pero Toñina salió, fue demasiado cargado. Dicen que el hijo del tigre sale pintao, pero Toñina salió, fue demasiado cargado.
Они легки, как будто бы немножко балуются, нет у них зажима, есть понимание, что они делают и зачем, хотя очень сложно во всем этом, наверное, разобраться. И у них открыты сердца и к России, и к театру кукол, и друг к другу.
I'm still excited. Thank you so much. Bye.